Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel once again. This is Francis Star here, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to make money on this platform. Okay, so guys, I'm going to be hiding the name of this platform while I show you everything step by step. Okay, this platform is actually free, and trust me, you can be making up to 3 or 5,000 naira every day on this platform by completing simple tasks. Okay, so I'm going to walk you through all the process, because if I don't do that, you might just click off this video, go and start signing up, and trust me, you're gonna make a whole lot of mistake. And even after making the mistake, you're still gonna get yourself kicked out from this platform without making a dime for yourself. Okay, so that is why I'm gonna want you to watch this video from beginning to the end. Okay, so I'm just gonna walk you through how you can start everything from scratch. Okay, so right here, this is actually a Nigeria platform. Okay, this is actually a Nigeria platform. Okay, so guys, you can see right here, get paid in naira for doing tasks online, absolutely free. Like I said earlier, you're not spending a dime to sign up on this platform. Okay, it's absolutely free. Okay, so right here you can see make massive income online by watching videos, doing offer walls, and many more with fast payment. You can see right here, over 1 million naira has been paid. Okay, almost 2 million paid to happy users. Okay, so right here you can see, if you want to get started, you just click on this, you sign up. Okay, and if you have account already, you just click on sign in. Okay, so I believe you guys are actually seeing this platform for the first time, so you just gonna click on get started. For that, I'm just gonna walk you through how this platform works. Okay, so right here you can see, guys, you can actually advertise your product or your business, or any business you're into. You can actually advertise it on this platform. Okay, so you can see right here, advertise your business. Okay, this platform allows you to drive large amount of web visitors to your website, blog, and YouTube videos in the best and most affordable way possible. Okay, so right here you can see low advertising fee, no use of bots of online software. Okay, so you can see here, you get real users to watch your videos, easy steps available, creating adverts, getting statistics provided, unique visitors, cheap and easy to use, fast and regular customer support. Okay, so here you can see the earning features, which is fast payment, no deposit required. Like I said earlier, it is totally free. Okay, so make sure you watch this video till the end so you won't miss anything. Okay, so right here you can see no investment required, daily payment. Okay, this is actually cool because they pay you daily. Okay, so right here you can see fast customer support, available online community, regular bonuses, multiple tax available, best in Nigeria, highest paying in Nigeria. Okay, like I said earlier, it's actually a Nigerian platform, so I'm not really sure if it works on or other countries. Okay, so here you can see statistics. We have about 10,000 users, over almost 2 million naira has been paid. Okay, and you can see right here, over 100,000 average daily payment. Wow, that's huge. Okay, so here you can see payment currency in naira. Okay, so like I said earlier, it's actually a Nigerian platform. Okay, so having said all these, I would just want us to come back here and then click on get started, so we can just sign up on this website and then start making money immediately. Okay, so what you want to do is just click on this. Okay, so guys, if you're seeing my video for the first time, I would say you should hit that subscribe button and make sure you turn on the notification bell, so we are on our way to 1k subscribers. Okay, and guys, I really need your help. Okay, so make sure you turn on the notification bell, subscribe, and please share this video with that your friend who needs to make money online. Okay, so guys, this is the sign up page. All you want to do is just fill in these details. Okay, so after filling up these details, you just click on sign up and then you proceed to the next level. Okay, so right here you're just going to create type in your full name, create a username for yourself, type in your email address, and then put in your phone number, create a password here, and then confirm your password. Okay, it's as easy as that. Okay, so once you finish typing in your details, you're just gonna be directed here. Okay, so this is what your dashboard is gonna look like. Okay, so to earn on this platform, all you just have to do is to perform simple tasks. Okay, you can see right here, tasks available. They have over 900 tasks available at this moment. Okay, some days they even have more than this. Okay, so right here you're just gonna click on continue, so you're gonna see the list of tasks they have available on the platform. Okay, I'm just gonna click on this right now. Guys, if you're finding value in this video already, make sure you hit that like button and go on the comment section below tell me which country you're watching this video from. Okay, so tell me your country so I can make more research and then look for platforms that are paying in your country so I can make videos around it. Okay, so guys, once you click on that, you are gonna be directed to this page. Okay, so before you be able to perform any tasks on this platform, you have to pass through an ID verification. Okay, you can see right here, click here to verify your ID. Okay, so trust me, this ID verification is actually very simple thing. Okay, it's just something that you have to link your social media accounts. You just have to link two of your social media accounts on the platform, and then you're good to go. You just start collecting tax and then completing it and start making money for yourself. Okay, you can see I just clicked on it, and this is the page we are directed to. Okay, so right here you can see, once you just scroll down, you can see right here tax available is 1153. Right here there is one survey, and then link clicks is just 15. Okay, so you're just gonna scroll down, and then you can see what the verification is all about. You can see right here, you need to verify your identity before you can withdraw your earnings. This will only be required once ever. To verify your ID, you will need to connect your social media accounts from two out of the three available options below. Okay, so you can see here we do this process to ensure users aren't creating multiple accounts. So if you have if you have connected a social media profile from a different time wall account, it will be rejected. Okay, so you can see right here they have three options. You can either link your Facebook profile, or you link your Twitter, or you link your Gmail. Okay, so once you link two of any of these three, you will just start completing tasks and start making money for yourself. Okay, so guys, if you're seeing my video for the first time on YouTube, I would say you should hit that subscribe button. We are actually on our way to 1k subscribers, so hit that subscribe button. Okay, hit that subscribe button, and make sure you turn the notification bell on so you always get notifications from YouTube whenever I drop new videos, so you can just watch and start making money for yourself. Okay, so guys, like I said earlier, this platform is totally free. You don't have to pay any amount to sign up on this particular platform, and you can be making money daily. Okay, platform. So guys, I'm going to be dropping the link to sign up on this platform in the description of this video. Okay, so make sure you use the link to sign up so you can just get started and start making money for yourself on this platform. Okay, so guys, I'm going to be ending this video here, and I'll see you in my next video.